Hey everybody, it's Jason for Frank's Homestead. So on my ATV winch, my cable's pretty messed up. You can kind of see it's real short now. Got all chewed up this winter and this last winter. And so basically I'm replacing it. And you can see on here, got the cable where it comes in. There's a hole on either side there. It just feeds right in there. And then this right here is just an Allen wrench. Get the right size key, twist it out almost to the point of it coming out all the way, and then voila, it just pops out. Take note of which way it was wrapped around there, but basically that's all you got to do. Put a new one in, just give it a little bend, put it back in the hole, tighten that set screw, and you're back in business. Wind it back up.